fast. Bunker sa dun, Fisher. Luan Vu, go party 2. Can somebody invite party 2, Papi? Hello? Can you go party 3? Can you start inviting party 3 now? So, check out if they have bombs, please. Hey, listen, Yagam is on a hodge, okay? He's on a hodge, so be careful of him. I'm gonna mark Mozart also. He's careful, everyone, division. They have an engage. Listen, brawler only, okay? Brawler only. The game 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawler only, brawler only, brawler only. Hold on, everyone, southeast. Headbutt, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Come fast. Glenn's up front. Hey, listen, gate's about to break. They have 2 engages, okay? Brawlers get ready to just brawl them out, but... Oh, do I need more healers, guys? We're lacking healers. Yo, Snowfell, hello, you're getting damage there on the fucking gate. Hello! Oh, what a very stupid Bisaya. Oh my god. He's very fucking stupid Bisaya. And no shit, man. Kill him. Lucy already, okay? Diba Lucy already? I need another bullet in my party still. Tokontol is me calling this, okay? Understand? Tokontol is me calling this. Fuck Tokontol. They have a jug also. Please, me. Someone does jug also. Yo, brawlers on the gate only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawlers on the gate only. Come back. Yo, listen. You have to defend shadow. Listen, I'm picking up. Wait. Step up. Big one, step up. Come back. Cleanse, ready defense.
Gate bro.
Careful front line. Still need more ballers to come, please. Yeah, they have a kidnap, okay? Where's the other behemoth? I have 2 behemoths, right? Yo, careful of the hodge. Listen, too many up front. Spread northwest. Careful of the coming out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Runners only. Wait, hold on. Come back. Careful, they're trying to get up, guys. They have a solo. But no, careful. Yeah, listen, careful. They're gonna step up again. Ready to hold, defense shadow, wait. Brawlers, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawler shadow. Hold on. Everyone, southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast choke now. Come back. They're gonna push it. Hold them. Spread. Get ready to hold them. Get ready to CC them. They're gonna walk through. They're walking through. Just hold them. Silence the choke. Just hold them. Spread. 15 seconds. Balik up. Hold. Spread. Push it out. Push it out. Walking on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke now. Come back. Listen. Come back. Spread. Taxo them. Spread. Yo, brawl inside only. Spread and ball only. Spread and ball only. They're stepping up again. Yo, brothers, on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke only, brothers. On the choke only. Wait. Come on. Tax on it. On the choke, everyone. On the choke, everyone. 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt choke. Come back. White is kasi on the back, man. White is on the back. You know that they're gonna push the back line. Pila. Puli. Why you guys on the back? Why is the brawlers on the back? You know that they're gonna push the back line. Careful, they're gonna engage some front. They're gonna look on the gate. Pila. Careful. Spread. Hila. ready defenses. Okay, you listen. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get. Heba. Oh my goodness, where's the demons? Come back inside. Take your fast. Hey, where's the demons? Offensive. Supports. Supports. Take a look. Ready defense. Pull the pen now. You walk in. Shallow tank. Out of the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow tank. Inside. Come back inside. Cleanse. Come back inside. They're gonna engage on the gate. Come back inside. Spread. Sports, I told you, I need offensive engage. I need defenses on the gate. Defend on the gate. Heal up.
Yes, sir.
Heal up.
May isang support ka nag-zone ng forest. Careful on the wall, guys. Careful on the wall.
Sino lang support din.
Nag-zone ng forest.
Okay, fast. Yeah, supports, tell me. Supports, stop. I have 2 root bounds, I have 2 keepers, I have like more than enough partners, man.
They're going west. Guys.
Stop. Renegades, it's better where you only see where you victims where you.
Also, like, stop.
Advantage ready, look at the gate. Good. Brawlers only, look at brawlers on the gate. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brawlers only. Everyone, look at the gate. 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Pull the pen also. Give me the front line. Come back. Yeah, listen, brawlers, do one engagement first. And then the engage front. Do one engagement first. Everyone get ready. Good.
Guys, okay dyan sa wall, guys. You're not defensive.
On the gate, get ready. Good. Oh, Dani. Listen.
Tulog. Affairs, only tulog.
Yeah, listen, only brawlers again, only brawlers on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, only brawlers. They're gonna headbutt. Listen. Money ka, push. Come on, outside. 5, headbutt, 4, 3, 2, 1. Outside. Come back. Sige, naka-engage doon. Sige. There's no logo, so good job. Yeah, being just make offensive, offensive for the club engage, not the brawler engage.
9%.
Listen, spread. They're gonna walk in. They're gonna funnel in. Tanks hold them. Spread. They're gonna engage inside. Looking inside. They're looking inside. Careful. Okay, hold. Your money is gonna shallow the tanks west side. Step up. Wait. Hold. Oni. You do not stick here too close to the gate. Just watch the gate. Okay? Ready to silence the joke, please. Yeah, listen. We have to engage shallow the tanks. The moment they step up, we should engage shallow the tanks. So, Hold on. You're ready to silence. Everyone shout 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Get the tanks inside. Come back. Spread and load. Yo, the silence is late. Listen, the silence is late. The silence of the beam is stayed there. Careful. They're stepping up again. They're gonna engage shallow. Ready guarded in the front. Listen, get ready, okay? Marlika, very fast engage shallow. Control.
Shallow color nila.
So the defenses, defend shallow. Heal up. Hold on the Yeah, shallow, get ready, shallow the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow the tank. Come back. Yo, come back. Listen, they're gonna try to paddle it now. They're gonna try to paddle it, just wait. You already tanks, get ready to silence the choke now. They're stepping up, tanks hold them. Give me a fake, Give me a fake when they step up. Hold. Listen, they're gonna go deep, okay? Careful, they're ready, push it up. Walk in, look at the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep down. Put it inside. Heal me, okay? Heal up. Spread. Yo, my DPS get ready. Look at the gate, okay? Look at the gate. Hold. Everyone, get ready on the gate. Wait only. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate. Come back now. Give me defense seal. Builds up. You need an offensive ball in them with them engaging. Offensive ball in them with them engaging. And then can I get like silences on top of them, on all of them? Like we're getting headbutted. When they're all on side. Spread. Just hold. Spread east side. Something on the choke. Spread east side. They're gonna walk in. Brothers walk in. Defend shallow. Heal up. Heal up my front line. Marlika, get ready. Look at me. Your brothers, come to me. DPS, come to me. Everyone, get ready. Look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me now. Now spread. They're gonna walk in again. They're gonna engage again. Get full. Tanks, listen. Control desert. Spread, boys. Spread far. Tanks, get ready. They can look inside. One side. Get ready. Defend inside. Heal up. Marlika, find me now. Clap the base. Look at shadow southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shadow southeast now. Shadow DPS. Come back inside, okay? Come back inside, tanks hold them. Spread inside. Hold them. They're gonna funnel in. Silence is on the choke. Listen, they're funneling. Going deep, northeast, careful. Oh no, they're going deep northeast. Come southwest. Oh, come. Wait. Spread. Tanks wait. Spread only. You run inside. Hold on it. Walk in southeast. Walk in south. Walk in south. Come south. Boys, come south. We're gonna turn north here. Get ready, north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North down. Where's the damage? Alright, come back. Spread. They're gonna engage inside. Defend inside. Heal up. Heal up. Click east side. Let them push us, okay? They're gonna funnel in, okay? We're gonna go back. Keep them east side. Heal up east side. Listen, spread. Keep them southeast, okay? We're gonna turn shit. Listen, they're gonna look. Ready potion. Marlika, potion out. Walk southeast. Potion out. Put them in back line. Marlika, on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gate. Push southwest here. Guys, you have to keep pushing, man. You have to keep listening. Come southwest. You guys are hovering on top of them. We have castle. Come back inside southwest. Okay? Come back inside southwest. Hold. Hold at the southwest side. Heal up. Yo, everyone, can you guys help me, man? Hold on. Careful on the gate. Yo, everyone.